free so that we can see the wildlife. Okay. Magsalita ng marahan para makita natin yung mga buhay ilan. Sabi nga, yung mga rose dito. Then do not put your hands and feet on the water. Because we have big lapu-lapu here. Lapu-lapu kumakalat sila yan ng mga mapuputing bagay. They will find something that it is attractive to them. So those are the roads that we must follow. After the tour, we have we have a song. Lady Mangrove and the Grove will complete the song. And it is dedicated to all the Lady Mangrove. Okay. Mamaya na.
Ay.
Huli back. Come back here. Kasi baka kung awitan ko na kayo, hindi na kayo magtuloy doon. That is one of our special activity here.
Oh, that's nice.
How could we use our entrance fee, yung bayad ninyo? 20% of the entrance fee is for the trust fund. 10% barangay share for the barangay development project. 10% to Mangrove Tour and 80% is for our honorarium. Yan po ang para sa atin. We are helping our community officials to protect this mangrove forest from the illegal cutting. At the same time, a guardian of this place. Okay. We are now paddling to this river. Sabang River. That is from the name of the place. Sabang meaning, that is Tagbanwa's dialect.
What's that
Tagbanwa,
mean?
these are the original people in Palawan. Tagbanwa meaning also people in the town. Sabang meaning end of the land or on the beach. Yun ang kahulugan niya sa
End of the beach.
Now this river banks, we have 4 varieties of mangrove trees. 4 na klase ng bakawan mayroon dito. Although, all in all, in the country of Philippines, we have 26 original. Look at your left and right side, those are mangroves. At your left side, those are male mangrove. Kasi 4 lang dito. Male mangroves, leaves are thin and narrow.
Male?
Dito sila, yan. Yan ang lalaking bakawan. Rhizophora apiculata, the scientific name. And this is sample fruit of them.
Ah, I've seen like that.
This is a fruit of male mangrove. Boy. Poor boy siya. Maliit ang bunga. And this is a fruit of female mangrove. Longer and bigger than the other one.
See, we're stronger than men.
So the leaves are oval in shape, round. Yeah.
Ah, there.
Ayun. Can you see them? The fruits are hanging on the branch. We call them propagule. How could they multiply like this? After 3 months, while this clinging on the branch, after 3 months, they will freely falling down on the mud. Then they stick there, they grow around this place. If ever they were falling down on the water, floating around, then it's stranded everywhere again, then grow. Very simple to multiply. It is a fruit, no edible, darling. But for the monkeys, it is edible for them. Kinakain ito ng unggoy.
Marami pala tayong kamag-anak dito.
Then after the tour, you are invited to plant this, one is of you, in the camp only. So that you have your souvenir tree.
Wow,
Maybe someday you
that's
come
nice.
back, maybe after 10 years, come back, write your name, address, year you came, laminated it, then hang into your tree. Serve as your souvenir tree, my dear. For me, I have already 10 years na. Kasi taas ko na. Okay, so we have already 2 varieties of mangrove, the male and female. Rhizophora amocronata, the scientific name of female. While the scientific name of male, Rhizophora apiculata. Oh, she already advanced in science. Oh, what you do. So, mangrove tour is not only sightseeing around, we learn something.
Yeah.
Nakakaputan natin ng kunting kaalaman.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Prepare ulit sa Canada again. Sometimes we have this meat here.
Haven't seen monkey yet.
Black and yellow, yeah.
Ako din, I didn't see it a monkey.
Saan ho ang monkey?
Monkey!
A bear.
Saan?
Be quiet please.
Be quiet. There, anak. Hindi, kasi sanay ka na makita kami. Hindi mo tuloy alam kung ano ang monkey. There's the monkey.